Hi, in this video I'm going to show you one of the first things that you need to do once you have gotten your WebSpace subscription. That is to install WordPress. So let me show it to you right now. Once you log into your ReadySpace Cloud console, navigate to the subscription, and in this case we will be demonstrating using WebSpace Basic and this domain name superscaler.net. And if you look at superscaler.net before installing WordPress, it will look like this. Now, click into the superscaler.net, which is WebSpace Basic in this case, or you probably be signing up a free WebSpace Solo. You will see WebSpace Solo. Once you are in, click Login to cPanel. And then you will be greeted with a red button. Click here to open cPanel. Click on it. And a new window will appear and will welcome you to your new hosting account. Right now, you can create an email address or build a website using the default cPanel website builder. But I recommend you to use WordPress. And here's how we are going to install WordPress right here in this interface. Scroll down and look for Softaculous. And then you will see Softaculous app installer. There are over 400 scripts that you can run or applications that you can install. Look for WordPress and it will be on the first icon over here. Click on WordPress and it will bring you to the WordPress Softaculous installer. At the Softaculous page, click on Install Now. And then that's where you can start your configuration. You can click Quick Install, but I would recommend that you do some configuration. So now, click on the latest version of WordPress, which right now is 5.7.1 at the point of this recording. And then choose the path of the directory of WordPress. So by default, you will see WP. Okay, which is not the default directory that you would like to have your WordPress installed. So remove WP so that when somebody access to superscaler.net, they do not need to key in WP. Enter the blog name and then the description. You will ask if you would like to enable multi-site. Because multi-site is for more advanced user, we will not click on this option over here. Enter the username. Okay, you can leave it by as default admin, and then enter a password. Click on the key over here to generate a random password, and then key in your email address. This email address is important because it will be sending you an email with regards to your WordPress install. And this will be the email address that will help you reset your password just in case you have forgotten your password. Scroll down further. These are optional plugins that you would want or do not want to install. We will skip that for now. Click on advanced option. You can skip all these options. Okay, but I would recommend that you will click on upgrade to any latest version available. Because if you do not have automatic upgrades, you will find that your WordPress will be easily compromised. Auto upgrade WordPress plugin, auto upgrade WordPress theme as well. Also, this service provides you with a backup location. So you can choose a backup at least once a day and a backup retention. If you would like to choose a design, you can then choose a design over here. Okay, so I'm trying to create a pizza food outlet. So let me click on pizza box and then select theme. If you would like to, you can choose clicking demo to see the template first before you select the theme. So now I have the theme selected and I can get to install WordPress right now. But before that, if you would like to receive a notification once it's been installed, you can key in an email address right down here. But if not, let's go ahead to install it. Now, if you meet this error, simply click on select the checkbox to override all files and then click on install once again. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now, how do you see if it is being installed? Click on the domain name and do a refresh. And here you go. You see that WordPress is being installed. And if you would like to do administration to your WordPress install, just click on the domain and then wp-admin. And it will bring you to the WordPress login page. That's all for this video. I hope that you have found it useful and I'll see you in the next one.